So we understand the pressures and the demand and the why an enterprise, an IT group wants to move Maximo from a 7.6 into a mass as a technical lift and shift. We get it. The costs in a significant upgrade and reassessing the business side can be exorbitant. At the same time, we also see the impact to the business and how much ROI there is on the other side of the fence when we enable some things. So what is the best approach to a technical lift and shift from Maximo 7.6 to the application suite? Let's talk about that for a minute. The biggest challenges we see in moving from 7.6 to the application suite are in data that was migrated into the 7 series product, integrations that have been upgraded over years or versions in the 7.6 series product, and then Java class files to perform functions that weren't available in Maximo at the time that might be available in the application suite now, and any front-end custom applications that were created that are serving a function that is now back into the core product. These tend to create either problems or additional cost when carrying it forward. How do you figure this out? What's the lowest cost way to do this? And the answer is make sure that the current system documentation is up to date with the system as configured, as built, so that we understand how to assess it against the usage that's going on in the field. That is the lowest cost way to prepare for an actual realistic evaluation of where should we change, or are we going to get away safely with the technical lift and shift. Once we've done that, we can then get the business side to say, this is what we use, this is how we use it, and why we use it. And we can quickly understand, does that need match the existing functionality? Does that need match functionality that's available in the application suite? And then quickly triage and assess if there's no change required, if there's a minor change opportunity, or if there's significant change needed, then we send that back and say, hey, is there a business case for this? Or is this something that needs to be taken care of later in a business upgrade of the application? Why would you want to do this? Because you don't want to carry technical debt forward into the application suite platform. Everything costs more there. It's already more memory intensive. It's already more CPU intensive. You don't want to pay more for that. You don't want to pay more for your app points than you need to be paying. So now's an opportunity to make sure your documentation is up to date, how you use the system, and assess and look for some of that low-hanging fruit to bring down the cost, and know then what it's going to look like in the next step when you actually undertake that business upgrade. So that, from our perspective, having done dozens of these and hundreds of upgrades over the years, that would be the best approach to a technical lift and shift upgrade to the application suite. Now, of course, we only covered a few things. There are tons of options out there to talk about, and the way different integrations are performed. We know it's deep water. There are going to be a lot of questions. That's what we're here for. Reach out. Let's have a chat. Let's talk about it and see what the right move is for you. Give us a call. Shoot us an email. Get ready with Boehne.